That is temporary and temporary. Because our body change, then our meeting also change. Huh? You understand? Our body change, then our meeting also change. This nature. Huh? That means that when you give up this body, then you will take birth in another place. Huh? Another mother, another father, another wife, children, everything, another house, everything is what? Difference. Eh? Because in this material world, meeting and separation. Eh? Because Mahadevi, in this way, she makes forget to us. Eh? Now you are thinking, he is my father, she is my mother, this is my wife, children, this. Or when your body change, that means when you give up this body, that time automatically you will forget it. This. You don't know in previous life who are you. But now you're thinking, I am this body, this is my friend, this is my mother, this is my father, and this is my house. Again body change, then you forget everything. Then where you have to take birth, and you think this is my house, this is my mother, this is my father.
Again and again.
Look these things. In this material world, this is our meeting going on. I am also feeling separation. Feeling separation from my mother, my father, wife, children, these things also. Separation. But this separation you will forget. Forget or not? When? When your body change again? Understand these things. When your mother, father will die, you will feel separation. Is it true? You're feeling some pain in your heart. But when you will die, that separation nothing. Because you forget. Look, that time you will not feel separation of your previous parents. You don't forget. You already forget. But Krishna is saying, I will never die. Because I am Bhagavan. Try to understand. Krishna established this philosophy. I am Bhagavan. Mai bhakti bhutanam amrit tapta kalpati. Jastin ramadasin bhavatina madapana. I am Bhagavan. I am eternal and transcendental. And I will never die also. That means he says, I am always with you. Bhagavan always with you or not?
Yes.
But you are not feeling. According to your stage, you are not feeling. You are feeling just with this body. You are feeling with your family's member and wife, children, parents. But when you do bhajan and sadhana, then your realization will come. That time we realize, who is my best friend? Who is my mother? Who is my father?
Guru.
That realization will come. Tamaiva mata, tamaiva pita, tamaiva bandhu, that time we realize, hey Lord Krishna, you are my real mother. You are my real father. You are my all in all. You are my all in all. So, for this regard, our scriptures explain this way. So now the transcendental love means, in this material love, I also told this is called temporary and changeable. But transcendental love, aprakita prema, that is not temporary, eternal and transcendent. But love creates the two things. One is called meeting, another
Separation.
It is called transcendental love. And this separation and nourishment, the meeting. no bina vipralambe, no bina vipralambe no, sambhav pushti ma sunte. Actually, Krishna tried to explain these things. Here gopis try to understand these things. I am Bhagavan. Who am I? I am Bhagavan. I am the second person of God. I am Bhagavan. I am Brahma. I am Paramatma. I am Bhagavan. Vadam tattva vidastatam jaj ganamadhyam brahmeti paramatmati bhagavaniti savyati. Who is the Lord? He has three aspects. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. Brahma means the Father. Gyanis, according to their knowledge, in their meditation, they are thinking, I am Brahma. Jatirmaya Brahma. They are thinking. Actually, they are saying this is true. According to their eligibility, adhikar, they are thinking, I am Brahma. And yogis, according to the Yoga Darshan, different Yoga Darshan, Ashtanga, Yoga Darshan, they are thinking, I am Paramatma Super Soul. Super Soul. Or those that are devotees, they are thinking, I am Bhagavan. I have 6 opulent. Oisarja, Samagra Sabir, Jajasa Sri, Gyano, Vairagyaschaiva Sanna Bhagavitingana. Even also, this Bhagavan also divided into 2 things also there. Not divided, just Bhagavan, means 2 things are there. One is called Oisarja, another is called Madhurya. Those are devotees of opulence mood. They are thinking, I am omniscient, omnipotent, almighty. And Atmaram, Aptaram, self-satisfied and fulfilled all. That is, those are devotees of opulence mode. Oisarja Madhurya. Those who are the devotees of Madhurya, sweetness mode, they are thinking, Krishna is our family member. They never inquire if Krishna is Bhagavan or not. They have no time. They think Krishna is our family. And in this way, they also make friendship or relationship with Krishna. And Subal Siddham, they think Krishna is our best friend. And very bosom friend. Nanda Jasoda, they are thinking Krishna is our son. Person, complete like innocent baby. Krishna is completely innocent baby. He cannot walk, he cannot speak, he cannot do as small baby cannot speak. In the same way, Nanda Jasoda, they are thinking Krishna is our innocent baby. In this way, they also nourishment to Krishna. Mata Mare Putra Bhave Kare Lalana Palana. Krishna says, my mother or my father, they nourishment me as like they are innocent baby. Our Madhurya Bhav, gopis, they think Krishna is very nice, beautiful form. As like Cupid, Kamadev. And he is our beloved. Lover and beloved, these types of mood in the heart of the gopis. So now coming in this way, so love means two things. One is called meeting, another separation. Meeting, separation. Because this separation and nourishment, more and more meeting. So further Krishna told to the gopis, Mai bhakti bhutanam amrit katya kalpati jatsimnam mod asin bhavatinam. So if you think I am Paramatma, so how you feel separation from him? So Krishna gave an example, clay and clay pot. You know clay or clay pot? You cannot separate clay and
Clay pot.
Clay pot. If you separate the clay from the pot, there is no pot. Understand? You take one clay pot and put up the all
The clay.
then you are
It's
nothing.
nothing.
This is true.
True.
So Krishna also made this. That means is what? Clay and clay pot always is what?
Together.
You cannot separate. You cannot separate. In the same way, and I am always with you. I am always with you. Just sometimes visible or sometimes invisible. Sometimes visible and sometimes
Invisible.
But I am always with you. So saying, Mai Bhakti Bhutanam Mritta Takalpadi Jasimna Madasim Bhavati Namadapan. And other things, why are you feeling separation from me? Because you have so much love and affection with me. If attachment means is what? That can create the separation. Understand? Create the separation. Give an example. You have very valuable, precious jewels. Very valuable,
Precious jewels.
you have. And sometimes you also use, understand, this way. Sometimes decorate over here or body something. And sometimes you also keep a very confidential place because this is very valuable things. Valuable things always not easy. Valuable things not always easy. What is your valuable thing? If you have very valuable things on James,
Give them to you.
and that time that things you keep in your head
Safe.
and safe and also locked.
Locked.
No one can because sometimes thief, dacoit, they will be still. For this regard, that valuable things, you also. But when any celebration, festival coming, and that time you are using. Not always. When the very valuable, what is called?
Special festival.
Festival. Special festival, not every festival. When the special festival, and that time they use, decorate your body, ears, or and you keep other time you also
Keep locked away.
keep in your
Locker.
locker. But suddenly that valuable things also disappear from your locker. What will do that time? If that the valuable precious thing disappear from that the locker, that time you will be cry. And always remember, where is that day? Where is that day? In your eating, sleeping, and in your dream also coming that valuable things. Look this way. And when you sleep, and this comes. Because this is called the attachment. And that attachment, two kinds of attachment, mamata, that is called the mamata. Mamata means
Possessiveness.
Mindfulness.
Mindfulness.
that mamata is one is called
Angata.
Tadyatta and madhyatta.
And not yet.
Madhyatta. Tadyatta means I belongs to him. That gets tadyatta. Or madhyatta means
Belongs to
he
you. You are mine.
belongs to me.
Ah.
This is good. This mamata in the two ways first. Tadyatta bhav, mamitta. Love and affection coming together. Tadyatta and
Madhya.
and I belongs to him, or he belongs to me. So which is very strong mamata?
Madhyata.
Madhyatta bhav.
Ah.
And he belongs to me. This is mine. One thing is keep mind. Mother says, my son. Mother does not say, I belong to my son. This son belongs to me. Understand? Krishna belongs to me. Gurudev belongs to me. Every disciple, single disciples, they are thinking, Gurudev
My Gurudev.
belongs to me. This is a mamataka. I belongs to Guru. This is okay. But this is not so much thick mamata. Thick mamata means it. Gurudev, he
It's mine.
Mama mana mandir rahani siddhi Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Mama mana mandir rahani siddhi Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. One song, actually. Hey Krishna, hey Murari, you always stay in my heart. Mama mana mandir. Mama Mandiri. Mama Mandiri means in the heart of my temple. Not other temple. Understand? Mama Mandiri.
My temple.
In my temple of heart, Hidai Mandir. You always stay in my Hidai Mandir.
Hidai Mandir.
You understand Hidai Mandir? Temple of my heart. Mama Mana Mandiri Rahani Siddhin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Sagatam, 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 Sagatam. Gurudev Sagatam, Sagatam, Sagatam. Gurudev Sagatam, Sagatam, Sagatam. Mama Mana Mandire Rahani Siddhin. Mama Mana Mandire Rahani Siddhin. Mama Mana Mandire Rahani Siddhin.
Mama mana mandire rahani siddhi.
Hey Gurudev, always you stay in my temple of heart. Never go out. Never leave. Always stay in my heart. This is called this much mamata. Mama mana mandiri rahani siddhin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. The same we also say. Because Guru is Krishna, Krishna is Guru. For the according to Tattva Siddhanta, we are saying this way. So we have this verse, I think this song completed Bhaktivinoda Thakur. The Mama Mana Mandiri Rahani Siddhin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Arati hobe tomar prema pradite. Every day I will do Arati. But what is the Gila? Prema Gila. Understand? Not just the
Ghee with.
Cotton, ghee, no. Every day, every time, every second, I do arati with my
Prema.
prema. Understand? This is prema madir, prema pradipe arati. What kinds of prema? Understand? If you do arati, need what? Ghee lamps. Ghee lamps, how many ghee wicks are there? 5. Panchapradeep. What do you say?
5 Panchapradeep.
Panchapradeep. What is the Panchapradeep? 5 ghee wicks.
Process, 5 members.
Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. But here thing, you know, we do arati with Madhurya prema. This is our aim and object. We do arati to Gurudev or Krishna with which?
Madhurya.
Madhurya.
Sweet.
Madhurya, conjugal mode. Arati hobe tomar prema pradipe. And there are the 5 Sikha is there, 5 flames of the ghee lamps. Understand? Prema pradipe and do arati. But the main is what? That is called Madhurya prema. Saying this. So Gurudev, always you stay in my
Temple of
Heart.
temple. Hidai Mandir, temple of my heart. Arati Havit Tomar Prema Pradite. Mama Mana Mandire Rahani Siddhin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna. Day and night I am crying for you. Understand? Day and night I am crying for you. And I worship your lotus feet with my
Tears.
People are worship lotus feet of Guru and Krishna with their 5 types of ingredients. That is called Panchamrita. What is the Panchamrita? Milk,
Milk,
yogurt,
ghee, sugar, honey.
Honey.
But he is saying no. I worship your lotus feet with my tears. And my tears always rolling down as like the stream of
Ganga and Yamuna.
Ganga. Hey Gurudev, please come. Hey Krishna, please come. And always stay in my
Hidra Mandir.
This is the model. So here also saying this, and I am the servant of Vaishnava, and
Guru.
I am forever sold at your lotus and at the feet of my Guru. Here they say, and मैं संत सेवक हूँ गुरु चरण का दास. And disciple means sold out animals. What did he say?
Sold out and
animals.
melted. Animals?
Animals.
Animals.
And if you sold out, that not belongs to Buddha. Who is by his
Owner now.
is the owner. So I am the same way. And before I was the animals of Maya, and now I am your
Animal.
sold out. And that Sanskrit word Vikrita Pashu. Disciple means Vikrita Pashu. Sold out.
Sold out animal.
Give an example.
Animal.
You bought one cow. That cow belongs to others. Now you bought it. That cow is whose?
Yours.
Yours. Now cow is yours or not? Because you
But
bought. And that cow give milk to whom?
You.
To you. Because you bought. Because you are the owner. Now you are the owner of this cow. Before that the cow belongs to
Someone.
others person, someone. Understand? And now you bought that the cow. Then cow is thinking, you are my
Master.
owner. And cow will give milk. Look this. Not that cow not give milk to
Someone
previous
owner.
owner. In the same way, that means that, what are you saying? Because before you are the, what is it called?
Maya was the owner.
Maya, before Maya, she was the owner. And now, who is the owner?
Gurudev.
Guru and Krishna. Look. Before you serve to Maya. And now you serve to
Guru.
Krishna and Guru.
Guru and Krishna. Look this. Understand? I will not serve to Maya again. I will serve to
Guru and Krishna.
So disciple means this way.
Sold out animal.
And so now we know how to completely surrender to my Gurudev. Understand? This is the process. Day and night, absorbed with Gurudev. Such a given example, Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, Venu Bihari Brahmacharya. Has so much Guru Nishtha. With his Guru, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And Srila Gurudev Nand Goswami Maharaj, most of the time, he also explained how Kesava Goswami Maharaj has Guru Nishtha. Day and night crying for him. Day and night, Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj was crying, Ha Prabhupada, Ha Prabhupada. Crying, Prabhupada. And then his throat completely choked. When he used to come Mayapurna Parikrama in the Samadhi place of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, He want to glorify about his Guru. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada glorification. But he can't speak. Just he remember his Guru Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. Prabhupada he cannot utter word. Prabhupada. Then he throat completely what? Choked. And tears rolling down. He did not speak one word. Then he just with his finger indicates to Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, okay, you say something about my Gurudev Prabhupada. But when you cry for Guru and Krishna, for your knowledge of relationship, Samandagya. Our actual aim and object first, how to make the relationship with Guru. That is Samandagya. Samandagya bhaje, Tare Krishna nahi taje, aar sab more aaka. When your knowledge of relationship will come, then you will feel separation. When you feel separation, when your Samandagya will come, knowledge of relationship. And if you have no knowledge of relationship, how possible cry? Maybe little bit your upset will come. Every day you are watching TV. Many people died, different ways, big storm, lightning, or car accident, or flood, different. Every day, and thousand people also. Are you crying?
No, because we all have a relationship.
You are not crying. Little bit you upset. How but your heart not melted. Heart melted? They are falling down?
No.
But if your any family's member, you feeling separation or not?
Yes.
Why? Because this is the relationship, Samandha. In the same way, our knowledge of relationship, Samandha Gyan, will manifest in your heart. That time you cry. Understand? Pasane kutibo matha, onole posibo, Gaurange ragune nidhi, kotha gele pabo, jianila premadhana, koruna prachur, hena prabhu kotha gelo, acharya thakur, pasane kutibo mata onole posibo, Gaurange gune nidhi, kotha gele pabo. This is very important. Because when the feeling separation, and this separation coming from knowledge of relationship, and more, and mamata coming. Mamata is coming. So much coming to mamata. So I also explain mamata 2 times. That's love and affection, sneha. And it's called, again our Rupa Goswami Pada explained, actually this mamata or sneha, love and affection, 2 types again. One is called Gita Sneha, and this is called Madhu Sneha. Okay? I don't make sound too much. One is called
Gita Sneha.
Gita Sneha, and one is called
Madhu
Madhu Sneha. Gita means is what? Ghee. The love and affection for Krishna as like ghee. Or Madhu Sneha, love and affection for Krishna as like honey. So why giving this example? Why giving this example? Ghee and honey. First I explain. Ghee has no own taste. And if you lick the ghee, no taste. But if you lick the ghee, taste will come. You have to put some kinds of ingredients. What kinds of ingredients? Give little bit sugar. Understand? Little bit camphor. Understand? little bit put some salt. If you add some sugar also, and little bit also few drops of
Rose.
lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Understand? Then you mix the ghee, all these ingredients, then you can lick, the taste will come. Understand? Actually, ghee has no own taste. You have to put some ingredients, then taste will come. Or honey,
So much taste.
honey no need put any kind of ingredients. Honey always what? Very tasty.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sticky.
And if you like that too much honey, then your head start to and your body will become very hot also. Understand? For this regard, the coldest country, the people are licking too much honey because they are very cold. Or if you lick the honey, then your body will be warm. You understand? Or those who are in hottest country, very, what is called? Warm, very hot, they are not taking too much. I am saying this is it. Honey, milk, what is called? Ghee and milk, both are very sweet. This is true. Good for health. But honey is special. And honey no need to put any kinds of
Ingredients.
This is the honey has no sponginess. Understand? Sahadik means spontaneous. Understand?
Natural.
Natural sweetness coming. Natural taste is coming. So that means is what? Srimati Radhika and her love and affection with Krishna as like natural. Spontaneous. Or Chandravali and others, their parties, their love and affection towards Krishna, that is called Gita Sneha. What do you prefer? Madhu Sneha or Gita Sneha? No? If you want to Gita Sneha, they go to Chandravali. Understand? What do you want? Madhu Sneha. Mane? Srimati Radhika side. Love and affection. For this, Krishna used this word also. Mai bhakti bhutanam amrit tattva kalpate mot sneha bhavati na madapan. Madapan means you are belong. You are thinking I am belong to you. There is so much love and affection. When love and affection, then you feel separation. Bolo Vrindavan
Ki Jai.
Jai Jai
Shri Radhe.
Jai Shri Bhaktivedanta Maharaj Ki
Jai.
Action for you, Maharaj, but we have to go now because I have to teach. She has to take her mother somewhere. So,
Okay.
so
Don't forget. Don't forget to me.
Hari Bol.
Right,
I will.
Mahalakshmi Ki Jai.
I will push.
And
Yeah, thank you.
and so much strong. Everybody preach. And
So,
in the
Gurudev,
teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Madhu Sneha is like love where the sweetness is constitutional within. Madhu Sneha is the love where the sweetness is constitutional within it. Right?
This is spontaneous.
Spontaneous.
Good Premanandi.
Hari
It's like the
Hari
love,
Bol.
the Swarupa of this love is sweetness. Thank you, Gurudev. Thank you, Gurudev.
Okay, good Premanandi. Okay, I have to prepare.
Yes. Right before you prepare, is it possible that we can come and talk with you? We have some donation and maybe you sign our books?
Books and books.
Yeah, we have 2 books from you.
Okay.
So we come in your room?
Yes, Gurudev ki jai.
Shri
Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru.